Vengeance is not ours. God. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child. Oh no, so thin and corrupt. Why do you stare at me? With my eyes, I cannot see. I know that you're all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness Mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy. My mother was playing a piano and I was singing while Father was listening and watching us. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door in deep silence each. Did the school people discover I was at school home? Mother Please, Louis, hold in the cellar. They're in the cellar. They're gonna find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. His window was the door went bang. The door went bang, and it was 5 ugly beasts came barring in. Are you Captain Louis? We're the ugliest of them all. Yes, you are under arrest. One of the beasts. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father was not giving a chance to visit me. Goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. Japanese. Oh, how our mouths watering and seeing the delicious fruit that we're eating. Then we heard a voice call. Consuelo! Casita! Consuelo! Casita! Consuelo! Casita! Direction. But it was too late. We saw Father hanging on a tree. Oh, it was terrible.